Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make Google as default search engine in Microsoft Edge. So if you also want to make Google as default search engine in Microsoft Edge, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Edge. So right now for me, Bing is selected as the default search engine. So if you want to select Google as the default search engine, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is look at top right corner. Over here, you'll be able to find several icons. At middle, you'll be able to find the icons for three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here.
For security reasons, the options are not being recorded.
Look at bottom. At second last, you'll be able to find the option for settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now wait for a while.
Now you can see over here, settings tab will be opened.
Over here, you'll be able to find several options. At left, you'll be able to find several options for settings. You'll be able to find the options like profiles, privacy, search and services, appearance, copilot, and sidebar. You'll also be able to find other settings options as well. What you have to do is click on the second option, privacy, search and services. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the privacy search and services interface. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for search and connected experiences that you can see right over here. Once you find it, all you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. All you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for address bar and search. Once you find this option, all you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find three options: search engine used in the address bar, manage search engines, search suggestions and filters. What you have to do is look at the first option, that is search engine used in the address bar. Right now you can see over here Bing is selected. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like Bing, Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo and Yandex. What you have to do is click on the Google option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here Google has been selected as default. Now after doing this, what you have to do is go back. Now after that, you can see over here Google will be selected as default search engine in Microsoft Edge. So that is how you make Google as default search engine in Microsoft Edge. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.